Assalamu alaikum. Today we discuss diagnostic proteins. Number one is alpha fetoprotein. It is major plasma protein produced by yolk sac and liver during fetal development. Plasma level normally decrease rapidly after birth. Alpha fetoprotein is measured in pregnant women through the analysis of maternal blood or amniotic fluid as a screening test for fetal developmental abnormalities. अगर हमारे पास अल्फा फीटोप्रोटीन की कंसंट्रेशन इंक्रीज हो जाए तो उससे क्या क्या डिजीजेस हो सकती है. नंबर वन इज omphalocele, that means defect in development of abdominal wall. The other one is hepatocellular sarcoma, neural tube defect, yolk sac tumor. अगर हमारे पास अल्फा फीटोप्रोटीन की कंसंट्रेशन डिक्रीज हो जाए तो डाउन सिंड्रोम के भी चांसेस हो सकते हैं. Alpha-fetoprotein can also be used as a biomarker to detect tumors in non-pregnant women, men and children. Actually, it is a glycoprotein. The other one is Bence-Jones proteins. This is also a diagnostic protein. Bence-Jones proteins are part of regular antibodies called light chains. These proteins are usually not present in blood. ये जो बेंचन प्रोटीन से ये हमारे पास ब्लड में यूजुअली प्रेजेंट नहीं होती. Thus presence of these proteins in urine is suggestive of lytic lesions of bone such as in multiple myeloma, a type of blood cancer. An abnormal result may also be due to amyloidosis. It means it is a rare condition that causes an abnormal protein called amyloid to build up in the body. Chronic lymphocytic leukemia. It means chronic lymphocytic leukemia is a type of cancer in which the bone marrow makes too many lymphocytes. Chronic lymphocyte leukemia में क्या होता है कि जो bone marrow है वो lymphocytes की production को enhance कर देता है. And lymphocyte it is a type of white blood cell WBCs जो कि हमें defense provide करते हैं against viral infection bacteria. The third one is lymphoma. It is also a cancer that starts in the white blood cells or lymphocytes. Now the Bence-Jones proteins, it is a multiple myeloma, is a type of blood cancer that begins in the plasma cell. Plasma cells are found in your bone marrow and lymph node where they produce the antibodies your body needs to fight infections. People with multiple myeloma are at a higher risk of infection, fractures, anemia, and bleeding problems. The third one is C-reactive protein. It is a non-specific test used by physicians to detect inflammation. C-reactive protein ये एक actually non-specific test है जो कि physicians perform करते हैं inflammation को detect करने के लिए. C-reactive protein, it is a protein made by liver. It's not sent into your blood stream in response to inflammation. Inflammation is your body's way to protecting your tissues. If you have been injured or an infection, it causes pain, redness, and swelling in the injured or affected area. Protein test may be used to find or monitor conditions that cause inflammation. These include bacterial infection such as sepsis, a severe and sometimes life-threatening condition, a fungal infection, inflammatory bowel disease, a disorder that causes swelling and bleeding in the intestines. It is an autoimmune disorder such as rheumatoid arthritis, an infection of the bone called osteomyelitis. Now the albumin in urine, also known as 24-hour urine test for albumin, test used to detect kidney damage or disease. अगर हमारे पास किडनी की डैमेज हो जाती है या किडनी की कोई भी डिजीज है तो अल्ब्यूमिन यूरिन में रिलीज होता है. इससे हमें पता चल जाता है कि हमारी किडनी जो है वो डैमेज हो चुकी है या हमें किडनी की डिजीजेज हैं. इसके जो काजेज हैं उसमें नेफ्रोटिक सिंड्रोम, डायबिटीज, हाई ब्लड प्रेशर, हार्ट फेलियर, cirrhosis। आपने अक्सर देखा होगा जो कि डायबिटीज के पेशेंट है, उनके यूरिन में एल्ब्यूमिन रिलीज होता रहता है। The kidneys are responsible for removing waste product from blood and regulating the water fluid level. When damage to kidneys occur, it fails to retain nutrients and proteins from body that are essential for health, especially albumin. Microalbuminuria test is urine test that measures the amount of albumin in urine. ये एक टेस्ट है जो कि यूरिन में एल्ब्यूमिन की कितनी अमाउंट रिलीज होती है उसे हमें पता चल जाता है। Now the enzymes of clinical interest. Number 1 is hepatic parenchymal disease. Hepatic, it means the disease related something with liver. इसमें ये डिफरेंट प्रोटीन्स आ जाते हैं लाइक ALT, AST, cholinesterase, LDH, glutamate dehydrogenase and sorbitol dehydrogenase। हेपेटोबिलियरी डिजीज में AST, गामा ग्लूटामाइल ट्रांसफरेज and 5 nucleosidases. The third one is microcardial infarction, AST, CK2 and LDH. Pancreatic disease, it means the disease related with pancreas. इसमें हमारे पास amylase, lipase, trypsin. Muscle disease, AST, CK, it means creatine phosphate, aldolase. Bone disease, ALP, उसमें ऑप्टिमम पीएच हमारे पास 10 होती है। प्रोस्टेटिक कार्सिनोमा, एसिड फोस्फेटेज, उसमें हमारे पास पीएच जो है वो ऑप्टिमम 5 होती है। ये एब्रिवेशन है डिफरेंट AST, एस्पार्टेट ट्रांस अमाइनेज, ALT, एलेनाइन ट्रांस अमाइनेज, LDH lactate dehydrogenase, ALP alkaline phosphatase, CK creatinine kinase, LDH lactate dehydrogenase। सो आज का टॉपिक यही था हमारे पास डायग्नोस्टिक प्रोटीन्स, जिसमें हमने अल्फा फीटोप्रोटीन पढ़ा, सी रिएक्टिव प्रोटीन पढ़ा और भी हमने डिस्कस की। थैंक यू सो मच।